Hi, I'm Chuck Graves, and today we just finished this bike build. This bike is a 2011 Yamaha R6 for a gentleman by the name of Charlie Grannon. Now, Charlie's requirements were to have a bike that was legal for super sport racing, but he also wanted to be able to ride it on track days and on the street. So we made some special provisions for him. This bike has all of the same pieces that we run on Josh Herron's Yamaha R6 in the AMA Pro Racing Series. I thought it would be really interesting to show everybody what it really takes to build one of these bikes. So let's go to the back and we'll have Gary show you the first step.